Good, good afternoon. Here we are at the Immaculate Conception Building interviewing Miss Renzi. So, Miss, what was your reason for applying here as a teacher?
My reason for applying here as a teacher is to practice what I have studied for 4 years because I really wanted to be a teacher. And also, I am a fresh graduate, so I need a job. And I wanted to be a part of the Malate Catholic School family.
What qualities did you possess that others didn't?
A very difficult question. So maybe I had the capabilities of being a good teacher. So maybe I can manage the class well, and then I don't know really.
Let's proceed to the next question.
Maybe also mastery of the subject can be next.
What were the attributes or qualities that made you qualify for the said job?
Number 2. Yes, sir, the attributes. Attributes, I can be an effective and an efficient teacher.
So, how long do you plan to be a teacher?
I really like being a teacher, so maybe a very long time.
As a teacher,
Until I retire.
as a teacher, what's the greatest moral lesson that you can teach your students?
Moral lesson. Be yourselves, be responsible also, and then be a light to others.
Thank you, Miss Suma. This is Miss Wendy, our interviewer.